Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Digital Classroom, still in my home. So today we're going to take a look at something that bugs the heck out of a lot of people. You switch software, but you still want to use those created presets you have in the old software. So how do you do it? Well, today in Digital Classroom we're going to take a look at it. So join us for today's episode of Digital Classroom, converting your presets very easily. Okay, so it happens to the best of us. Finally, we're gonna switch software, or we're gonna use two software packages next to each other. But we want to use those unique looks also in the new software, because we created those for a certain look, right? Now, first of all, I want to make a big disclaimer. There are differences between every single RAW converter. Some RAW converters will have settings that other RAW converters don't. So in this case, we're going to take a look at a converter that actually converts your Lightroom presets into Capture One presets. But if you know Capture One, you know that Capture One has a lot of different settings from Lightroom. So you can't expect wonders from a setup like this. However, I tested it, and it's incredibly close. There are some things missing, but let me put it this way. If you want to do it manually, just forget about it. Just create new presets, because that's way too much work. This gets you there, let's say 99% of the cases, it's perfect. So, how does it work? Well, it can't be easier. You just open up a preset converter, and, well, you have to do a little bit. So, first things first, let's create an output folder. Now, in this case, I'm going to use a OneDrive folder, just temp. Now I press here, Lightroom to Capture One. Now of course I have to point this towards my Lightroom presets. Now in this case I'm just going to take one of my preset packs. So I select all my presets. You can also do one. There we go. And as you can see, the software is compatible with both the Lightroom templates and XMPs. So that's awesome. Now I selected everything, press open. And now you will see that there's a difference between, of course, Lightroom and Capture One. But don't worry, you will see here that it actually contains values for camera calibration. Is that important? Yes, but you know what I mean? We can also work without it. Same here, dehaze. Okay, just convert all. And convert all. So you will see this pop up quite a bit, at least with me it popped up quite a bit, and this is actually all. And that means that there are some settings that aren't compatible with each other. Again, it's not that important, your images will look fine. Okay, that's about it. Let me just open up that folder for you guys. Okay, so here we have the folder with all my presets. So that's cool. And now it's actually co-style, so for Capture One. So let's copy them all. Okay. Copy. Okay. And let's drop them into my Capture One folder. And if you can't find the Capture One folder under Windows, it's under Users, Info, App Data, Local, Capture One, and Styles. Now, Styles, sometimes it's 60, sometimes it's 50 or something else. Just look for that Styles folder. Okay, let's Control-V. Let's copy everything in. And there we go. Let's just skip that one. Okay, so now I have a lot of new ones. Now let's open up Capture One and see if it worked. Okay, we are in Capture One. Let's see where my presets are. So let's go to User Styles. And there we go. All my Lightroom presets are there. And that's pretty awesome. It combined it actually with my Capture One presets. Yep, this is a Lightroom preset. Works like a charm. So this saves you a lot of time. So check them out online. I'm sure when you want to convert your presets, you're absolutely gonna love this one. If you like what we do, please subscribe to our channel, leave comments below, smash that like button, but most of all, tell other people about our channel so we can grow. If you want behind the scenes images as soon as we start with our workshops, have portfolio reviews and whatnot more, join our Patreon. That's really awesome. We're even gonna do 360 shots there from all our lighting setups and a lot more. So, thank you so very much for watching, guys. See you again next time, and stay safe. Bye bye.